Today, I want to present a fast and easy way to create blog posts. Let's begin by going into the website settings, then to the blog section. Next, we want to create a new blog post, so we click Add New Blog Post. But since we want AI to do the work for us, we go into the AI Creator and then type the topic we want the blog to be about. We can also include the desired word count so the AI knows how much to write. Then we confirm by pressing Enter. And after a few moments, our blog is ready. At this point, you can review the content, make any edits if needed, or simply move forward. As you can see, blog is ready to publish. But still, you can make few adjustments like publish date or keywords. Since we didn't select any keywords, the AI automatically generated them for us. We can save the blog by clicking Save. And that's it, your blog post is ready in just a few moments, all done with the help of AI. IKOL, AI for Business.